Today I'm going to tell a story on the crane and the wolf. Once there was a wolf who was eating and a bone got stuck in his mouth. How much he tried, but he can't take it out. So he went for help. He went for someone who can help him. He asked the fox for help, but fox couldn't reach it. So he asked the crane for help, and he also said that he would reward. The crane took out the bone easily, and asked for reward. But the wolf said, "You put your head into my mouth, but I didn't kill you. That's the biggest reward I can give to you." And he left. The moral of the story is, gratitude and greed do not go together. Thank you.